Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Shifting Tech in English. In today's episode, we shall discuss about Moto G13, its specifications, its pros and cons, my verdict about the phone and its possible alternatives. It comes in two variants, 4GB RAM and 64GB internal storage for 9499 and 4GB 128GB variant for 9999. And it's a no-brainer, pitching an extra 500 rupees for 120GB variant will be a smart decision. Colors. The phone comes in two colors, the lavender blue and matte charcoal. If you ask me, my personal favorite is lavender blue. Now the build quality of the phone. The phone has a minimalistic box design, but it really gives a Porsche premium look when you hold it in your hands. Now the backpack is made of acrylic glass or PMMA. Is a moniker for hard plastic. Ports and buttons. On the bottom side, we've got the speakers, the Type-C port and the microphone. On the top side, we've got 3.5mm audio jack. Irrespective of how advanced the phone is, having a 3.5mm audio jack is always a pleasure to work with. And we are getting Dolby Atmos, I say again Dolby Atmos, at this price range. Normally we see Dolby Atmos in phones priced 20k or above, but Motorola giving Dolby Atmos at such a low priced budget smartphone is truly commendable and appreciable. Well done, Motorola. Now the slot is a hybrid slot. It supports two 4G SIMs and a micro SD card slot, whereby we can expand the memory up to 512GB. And on the sides we've got volume rocker and the power button with fingerprint scanner incorporated into it. And the fingerprint scanner is very responsive. And the phone has IP53 water repellent design. Again, kudos to Motorola for giving such features in this budget smartphone. Display. The phone has a massive 6.5-inch IPS LCD display. HD resolution, 720 by 1600 pixels, 90Hz adaptive refresh rate, 576Hz touch sampling rate, 400 nits of brightness, anti-glare protection, wideband L1 support, and a punch-out display. Now, two things have to be noted carefully here. The phone is being provided with 576Hz touch sampling rate. This provides great gaming experience, and we are getting wideband L1 support, wherein we can enjoy HD contents from online platforms like Netflix, Amazon Prime, etc. Well done again. The phone supports 4K video playback in YouTube, but the playback will be sluggish. Now the processor. The phone is powered by MediaTek Helio G85 Processor. It is built on a 12nm process. It's an octa-core processor with two 2.0 GHz Cortex-A75 and six 1.8 GHz Cortex-A55 cores. The GPU is Mali G52 MC2. The Antutu score is 2,14,731. Geekbench single core score is 430. Multi-core score is 1437. CPU is throttling at 75%. And doing stress test, we got stability of 98.4%. RAM and ROM. RAM is 4GB LPDDR4X RAM. There is only one variant for this phone, that is 4GB. And the ROM, we get two variants, 64 and 128GB. It's eMMC 5.1 storage. That is a maximum the processor can support. And the storage is expandable up to 512GB using the SD card slot. The processor along with the RAM provide decent performance during gaming, although we do observe frame drops and slight heating issues while playing high graphics games of COD and games on similar lines. OS. We are getting Android 13 out of the box, and the skin is Motorola's MyUX. We do observe some bloatwares which can be uninstalled. Now Motorola provides 1 year of Android update and 3 years of security update. And on top of this, Motorola's security ping shield is provided for this phone as well. Truly amazing. Camera. Now the rear has a triple camera setup with 50MP main camera and two babies, 2MP macro and 2MP depth. And the phone is advertised to have quad pixel camera technology, where many pixels will be merged into a single pixel, thereby providing high resolution 12 megapixel picture output from the camera. The front is an 8MP camera with a punch-hole design. Now the rear camera supports full HD or 1080p recording at 30 frames per second. EIS is available. Now regarding the pictures, we will get good pictures with good contrast, good edge detection in portrait mode. Loader pictures are pretty decent. The dynamic range isn't that well balanced. And when it comes to front camera, the recording is full HD or 1080p at 30 frames per second, but EIS is not available and we are getting decent pictures. Now the phone is powered by a massive 5000 mAh battery. With the IPS LCD display and HD+ resolution, we can easily get a day or a day and a half battery backup. Now there's a major downside to this. The charger which is provided is only 10-watt charger, and it will take around 2.5 hours to get the phone fully charged up. Now the phone does support fast charging. Using 15-watt charger, we can minimize the charging time to 2 hours. But still it's a mournful thing that we are only being provided a 10-watt charger. Connectivity. The phone supports dual 4G VoLTE, Bluetooth 5.1 awesome, and a dual band Wi-Fi. Now regarding the pros and cons of this phone. Pros. The phone has a premium design. We get Dolby Atmos and wideband L1 support in this phone, so multimedia experience will be butter smooth and binge worthy. Even though having an IPS LCD display, the viewing angle is a bit debatable. 576Hz touch sample rate, an amazing deal for gamers, good haptic feedback, IP52 rating, fingerprint sensor, Android 13 plus thin shield security, amazing battery backup and expanded storage. On the con side, there are many phones which are providing Full HD display at this price range. It's truly disappointing that we are only being provided with an HD Plus display, no 5G support, and only 10V charger provided with the box. So what's my verdict? If you're looking for a phone with a grand design, good battery, good multimedia experience, decent processor, decent camera, decent gaming experience, and near stock Android experience, definitely is a must buy. But if display, 5G connectivity, and fast charging are your preferences, then definitely don't buy this phone. Now, the possible alternatives to this phone. Number 1, we have the Moto G32, priced at 10.5k. Now, if you are pitching an extra 100 rupees, what we're getting in G32 is a Full HD Plus display, Snapdragon 680 processor. Without a shadow of doubt, Snapdragon 680 is much better than Helio G85. A triple camera setup with 8MP ultra-wide angle camera, 16MP front camera, and a 33W fast charging. Truly worth it for the extra 100 rupees which we are pitching in. And if you can put an extra 1000 rupees on, then we will get an amazing deal on Motorola G52. We get a Full HD Plus PE OLED display, which is miles ahead when it comes to multimedia experience compared to an LCD display. Snapdragon 685 processor, triple camera with 8MP ultra wide, 16MP 33W fast charging. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. Do like, share and subscribe to Jet Tech English to watch more of such contents. Until next time, take care and bye. God bless.